Amen. Then, Mr. The front of you today, I have to discuss something important parts of the story. I think yesterday I have told of you for completing of any story. Like a story today you have come to complete it. Yeah. You will not have to be nervous while speaking. Yes, you are performing for telling of that story in the previous time. In the same way, also this time you will have to speak. You will not have to think if this time means I will able to speak of that story contains or not. Such type of the matter you will not have to link up in the minds and you will not have to muddle anywhere while explaining for any kinds of the sentences from that story. As the matter is coming inside of your mind, according that you try to speak of that every kinds of the sentences. I keep on telling you almost of the times nothing is impossible in this world for doing. Okay. If you will think of that for doing of any kinds of the things with very confidently, you can do that. Understanding or not? There is called one गजल. नजर बदल लो नजारे बदल जाते हैं, सोच बदल लो सितारे बदल जाते हैं, तुम्हें कुछ बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ दिशा बदल लो किनारे खुद ब खुद बदल जाते हैं. If you change your thinking, automatically everything will be changed. And if you have not capacity for changing of your thinking, then whole life you will be mistaking, you will be muddling. So I am telling of you, you will not have to think of any kinds of the poor meter, any kinds of the crummy meter, any kinds of any hugger mugger points. You will have to think to exactly of perfectness of contents, perfectness points, which is very requirement for you for describing the front of more any other personage. You understood exactly this? And one thing more I am telling of you. When I keep on taking the class the front of the student at that moment, when I ask of any kinds of the question, also many of the students are confused and they start to answer to me like of fig lady. This thing also you will have to keep in the mind. And sensibly speak. Okay? Yeah. Then at first you tell me what is your name?
My name is Pratikant.
Okay, in which class do you read, Pratikant?
I read in 8th class.
You are reading 8th class. Yeah. Great. But before asking out more any other kinds of the question, I would like to ask of you, what is your hobby?
My hobby is reading storybooks and playing and gaming.
Okay, means our hobby is for reading of storybooks and playing game and all, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your life aim?
My aim is be IAS.
Okay, you are wanting to be an IAS.
Yeah.
It's a great and a splendid thinking. Yeah. If you will be thinking like this matter forever in your life, then really you will become to success on your aim, on your target. Which target you have made in your life for making success on life, you can success definitely. Okay. Then would you like to speak English?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Then so at first you tell to me some parts of the grammatical points. I'm going to discuss to you. After that, I will discuss of more any different kinds of the things which you have come today to completing. Okay. Then you know tense.
Yeah.
Okay. How many kinds of tenses are here?
There are 3 kinds.
Okay. Can you tell me each name of that tense?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me.
First present tense, second past tense, third future tense.
Future tense. You are going to read about of the tense.
Yeah.
Now I am going to ask okay these sentences from the part of the tense. You will have to answer to me. Okay. Yeah. And whatever you are answering to me, that answer you will have to have with loudly voice. Okay, you will not have to speak in slow voice. If you will speak the front of me in slow voice, or voice will not be captured very well through my camera. Understanding or not?
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling of you. You speak whatever with loudly. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to ask of you on sentence in tense.
Yeah.
You will have to answer to me. मैं मुंबई जाऊंगा.
I shall go to.
Very good. I shall go to Mumbai. मैं पटना जा चुका था.
I had gone to Patna.
Very good. Do you know voice?
Yeah.
How many kinds of voices are there?
2 kinds of voice.
Okay. Can you tell me each name of that voice?
Yeah. First active voice and second
And passive voice.
Yeah.
Okay. Then now I am going to play with you one question from the part of active voice. You will have to answer to me. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you answer to me. I am writing a poem. I am writing a poem.
A poem is being written by me.
Oh, splendid answer. Next, again I am going to have of you another sentence. In active, you will have to change into passive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will be teaching you.
I will be
Teaching
teaching you.
you. Now this sentence I have spoken with determine. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
I will
later.
be teaching you.
You. Yeah.
You will be being taught by.
Great answer.
By.
Next, again I am going to ask of you from the part of our voice, that is the related with our modal verb. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem in this.
Yeah.
Okay. I should be playing a ball.
A ball should.
I should be playing a ball. Listen there. After that you answer to me. I should be playing a ball.
I should be
Playing
playing
a ball. Yeah.
a ball should be being
Played by
me.
Great
Played
answer.
by me. Yeah.
Okay, then you are knowing to very well of the parts of the voice. You don't have any hesitation. You don't have any confusion for solving of any sentences in active to passive.
Yeah.
Now I am going to discuss about of the degree point. I think this time I have not out of you, and you will be unable for telling the answer of any question from the part of the degree. Huh?
Yeah, but
Something you are knowing.
Yeah.
Then could I ask any question from the part of degree?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you tell to me, हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान से अच्छा है.
हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान से
अच्छा
है. हिंदुस्तान is better than Pakistan.
Oh, great answer. Then you are knowing well.
Yeah.
You told to me the first time, I don't know.
No,
But
in
you are knowing
that
to,
time I was
exactly
Yeah.
you are not knowing, but passively you are knowing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Exactly or passively means what do you understand?
Passively means us.
Yeah, so.
So this is the same.
That is called in Hindi words काम चलाओ.
Yeah, काम
Okay. And now I am going to discuss in the part of the narration. I think narration
I don't know.
Narration part.
Yeah, but now I'm reading.
Okay, you are reading.
Yeah.
Okay, great. But if you are not knowing the parts of the narration, then in this session I am not to ask of you. In other session I will ask of you also about of the part of narration. Then I am going to discuss about of our story.
Yeah.
Okay, which story today you have come to competing for explaining the front of me. That the story you have to tell to me verbally.
Yeah.
Can you do?
Yeah.
Then which story today you have come to complete?
That story name is The Lion and the Rabbit.
Okay, that the story name is
This
The
one-
Lion and
Yeah.
the Rabbit. Can you tell to me exactly?
Yeah, this is moral story.
Okay, this is moral story. Which type of so this story about that you have to tell here. Okay. Then let's start.
Yeah. Once upon a time there was a dense forest.
Yeah.
In this forest all animals lived with perfect harmony.
Yeah.
But there was a big, lazy and very big and lazy lion.
Yeah.
And he was the king of the forest.
Yeah.
One day that lion called to her all animals that you will have to come. You had to come with me one by one on his food.
For my food.
Yeah, for my food. After that, all animals were scared to the lion.
Yeah, means all of the animals were
Yeah.
fearing to lions.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, they all animals used to go one by one. After that,
Every day.
yeah, every day. After that, the lion was very happy and days.
And also that lion was going to eat every day one by one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the lion was very happy, but days went by, and the days were
Day by
going.
day it was passing.
Yeah. After that, it was the turn of one rabbit.
How it was eating of a rabbit.
And that rabbit was very clever and very intelligent. So he reached there very late.
Yeah.
Reached last then very late. After that,
When turn came of that rabbit,
Yeah.
that is that rabbit reached
yeah.
too late with the front of that lion. Yeah.
After that, the lion was very angry and he asked to rabbit, why are you late?
Yeah, why did you late and where did you late? So
yeah, why did you late? Then the rabbit answered with acted wisely and he told to lion, I was on my way, but when I was coming, then that time I stopped by another lion.
okay, means when I was coming, from my place in that time.
Yeah.
I was stopped by any other lion.
Then-
That's why it became too late.
Yeah, after that, that lion was telling to me, I am the
I'm
king.
working.
Yeah, I am working, and you. Then I told to that lion, you are fake. You are not king of the
You are
forest.
proud.
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
imposter.
Yeah,
How can I say about of you? You are my king.
yeah,
My king is inside of the den. He
Yeah.
lives inside of the den
then
or cave. Then my lions does not go to wander anywhere.
Yeah.
Then you are telling to
me.
wrong.
Wrong,
You
yeah,
are telling a lie.
Yeah, then also that lion told to me, you fight to me and prove your supremacy.
Yeah.
After that, the lion was very angry and told to rabbit, please,
You show me.
yeah, please show me, and took with me.
Okay,
That-
you
that-
carry me in
yeah,
that
you
place.
carry
Where
me.
is that another
Yeah,
lion? Means
lion.
who was the lazy lion?
Lion.
That lazy lion became too very angry. Listening
Yeah.
of this means you had been stopped by another
Lion.
lion,
Yeah,
and he had challenged.
yeah.
He had challenged to fight
Yeah.
with me.
After that, the lion, that rabbit guided well and both well reached beside of one whale.
Yeah, means rabbit
Yeah,
and that lethargy lion
yeah,
both reached
beside of
beside
one.
of
One.
a well.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, the rabbit told to lion, you look in
Inside
this
of this whale.
whale.
Yeah.
There is our competitor.
Yeah.
After that, that lion saw inside of the whale. After that, that lion told, this is my competitor. Then the rabbit told, yes. Then after
Means reflection was coming of that
Yeah.
lethargy lions.
yeah, then that lion was not knowing about this. That foolish lion. This is his reflection.
This is
His reflection.
yeah, himself that reflection is being in that water.
Yeah. After that, that lion jumped inside of the whale. After that, the lion finished.
Okay, means
And-
that means when that lion jumped down inside of that whale,
After that,
then also he may have been died.
Yeah.
Understanding or not, because he was very foolish. He was not knowing of that actually. This is being of my body reflection inside of this water.
yeah. After
Okay.
that, all animals was
Became
happy.
too very happy.
And he rejoiced, and he was telling you a rabbit about your parents, and he was proud on him.
Okay, okay. Means all of the animals were trying to very proud of one rabbit
Yeah.
because that day that rabbit killed a
Lion.
lion, and every day that lion was eating off one
One by one.
animals of that forest.
Yeah.
And from today, no animals' life will be gone. No any animals will be died. That's why all of the remained animals became to very happy.
Yeah.
One intelligence of that rabbit.
Yeah.
Oh, but you have told of this very sensefully. It is very good story, and it really that is very moral types of the story.
Yeah.
Like this, I am telling of you. You keep on preparing of different kinds of the story in your daily life, and you try to tell of that story. You try to express of that story the front of a friend, the front of a teachers who is teaching of you with them. You try to discuss. You try to indicate of that. If you will broach of that much and much different kinds of the story in your daily life, inciting from your minds, then really you will have lots of the vocabulary, you will have lots of the sentences inside of your mind for speaking, and you will not be stuck to anywhere, and you will not get of any kinds of the obstruction in your life for speaking of English, as you are looking of any a speaker who is speaking to very fluency.
Yeah.
Just like that, also you can speak to very fluent in a day. Okay, then it is very good.
Yeah.
Again, I will visit to you in my next video.
Yeah.
In that video, you will have to talk to definitely of different kinds of the story, and you will have to come to preparing every day any new sort of story. I
Yeah.
hope you will come to preparing to every day.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. For today, it's so only.
Yeah.
Again, I will visit in my next video. 40 lens. Bye bye. Thank you.